Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve the fourth question of multiple choices of theory of computation or theory of automata. So our question is, we have been given with two different languages, L1 and L2. L1 is a set of x, epsilon, sigma, star or x, which contains even number of zeros. Another language, L2, is a set of x, epsilon, sigma, star or x, which contains odd number of ones. So we have to decide number of final state in language L1 union L2. So we have four different options. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, and option D is 4. We have to find the final states. How many final states can we create when we do union of language L1 with language L2? So let's see which of the following option is correct and why. So our option 1, which is one state, this option is incorrect. Why? Because since L1 and L2 are two separate languages, they will likely have different accepting states. Therefore, having only one final state would not be sufficient to represent both the languages. Option number 2, which is 2, option is also incorrect. While it's possible that only one final state could handle one of the languages, it's unlikely that it could handle both L1 and L2, which have different criteria for accepting even number of zeros and even number of ones respectively. That's why both our option A and B is incorrect. Now let's see option C, which is 3. This option is actually correct. Why? Because to handle both L1 and L2, we need at least two final states. One to accept string with an even number of zeros for L1 and for another to accepting strings with an odd number of ones for L2. Additionally, we need a third final state to handle the case where both criteria are satisfied simultaneously, which would be necessary for the union of the two languages. So for that reason, our option C, which is three states, is the correct option for the language L1 union L2. And option D is also incorrect. Why? Because it's possible to have four final states. It's not necessary for handling the languages L2 and L3. That's for that reason our option D is also incorrect. So at last the correct option is C, which is 3, as it provides the minimum number of final sets required to handle the union of languages L1 and L2. Thank you for watching this video.